This is the video for the diffuser necklace. Comes with these little pads. They are colors: orange, red, green, blue, white, yellow. Very pretty. You just put a few drops on the little pad, and then you stick it in the locket. Opens up. Put the little pad in there, and then you shut it, and it magnetic shuts. It's really awesome. Very nice quality chain. This thing isn't going anywhere. I wear this thing everywhere. It's very heavy. It's a very heavy necklace, but I do like it because I'm able to put my essential oil in it and wrap it around my neck and put it on my neck and wear it. And I get to smell that lavender. Kind of lets me zone out a little bit. Like I said, family heredity is worry, and then if you have time, worry some more. And that's not a joke. I mean, a lot of people have died from having stress-related illnesses, and this is just a family trait that just passed down through years and years of the same stuff. So this has helped me a lot. Kind of put my blood pressure under control better. Having that lavender, just being able to zone out with that aromatherapy. So I suggest that, if you have the same kind of issues or you just need something really pretty and fashionable, this is the necklace you need to get. It's very high quality chain, very high quality. Everything about it's nice, very nice. Thank you for tuning in.